Hello, my name is Drexel Brooks and I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And this assignment is for Week 5's filter and delay effects. Today I will be demonstrating how to configure an EQ plugin to function like a large format mixing console EQ section. So let's get started. All right, on the screen you can see that I'm using Persona Studio One 2 Professional version 2.6.2. I have used this DAW in previous examples because it's a very easy DAW to use. All right, so to get started, the first thing that we're going to do is go into our browser section. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick an EQ. The EQ that we're going to pick today is an oldie but a goodie. It's Waves Renaissance EQ. So as like anything else in Studio One, everything is drag and drop. So we're just going to drag our EQ onto this track. All right, now you can see that the EQ has popped up, and you can see that it showed up as an insert in the mixing window. So what we're going to do is go over the various sections of this EQ plugin, and we're going to describe it in a way that it will be used on a large format mixer. All right, the first section that we're going to go over is the high pass filter. The high pass filter on this EQ is very easy to use. All right, first all we have to do is engage it. And as you can see, as we move the frequency, we're cutting more and more of the low end out. And some people call it a low cut filter, but the proper term is a high pass filter. All right. And we also can control the Q on this, which controls the slope. All right. The next 4 sections are our parametric EQ sections. The shape that we're using in this example is the bell shape. And as you can see, you can choose it and also make it into a low shelf if you desire. But right now, I'm just going to use the bell shape. And as you can see, if I'm going to disengage the high pass filter. And as you can see with this one, we can choose the different frequencies. We also can choose the gain. All right. And we also can choose to change the different Q. And as we change the Q, you can see that the shape is changing. All right. We can do this for all. We could do all for all the different bands. For the mid range, we could do the same thing. All right. Disengage this one. And like I said, as we raise the different Qs, you can see that it's getting, you can see that the shape is changing. And this is vice versa for the next 4 sections. On the top end of this EQ, we have what we call the low pass filter. The low pass filter is also known by the high cut filter, but the proper name is the low pass filter. And as you can see, I'm gonna disengage these 4 bands of parametric EQ. All right, so we're gonna engage this one, and as you can see, all right, me going to make it right. So here we go. And as you can see, we can change the various frequencies, and also we can change the slope by using the Q. All right. So basically, I want to give you a decent explanation of how to use a EQ plugin like a large format mixer. Tried to make it as simple as possible. And I worked hard on it, trying to do a good assignment. I want to thank all my peers that will be reviewing this assignment, and I'll see y'all again next week. Thank you very much.